I think a lot of people just aren't aware that an R1 state university, it's a lot more opportunity than you might think.
Choosing UNH Honors, in my opinion, is very different than choosing an honors program at a different school.
I never expected to join research so early as a freshman, but I immediately had the opportunity and I'm so grateful.
UNH has prepared me very well for my doctorate in physical therapy. I want to open my own private practice targeted for youth athletes.
I quickly realized that I would have far more opportunities than I would ever know what to do with, and that they were very competitive with some of the other universities I was considering.
This is where I love to be. I live right next door in Fairchild Hall. It's really awesome living in Fairchild and having all freshmen and all honors on my floor because I get to meet people who aren't just in my major. I get to meet a lot of different people.
I have heard from students that they really love just being that close. It makes their honors college home feel homey to them because it literally is next door.
Having a faculty that I know supports me as an individual means a world of difference.
We see that you've checked all the crazy boxes in your high school life. You are amazing. You have all the gold stars. We are not about asking you to jump through more hoops. We're about supporting you. And we actually have a curriculum that does that, which is very exciting to me.
It's just a really nice place to be, and it's filled with beautiful, beautiful art that's done not only by UNH alumni and faculty, but also a bunch of other local artists, and you can tell how much love is poured into this space.
This building, the vibes is definitely, I feel like, just creative. It's definitely an area that you can get a lot of work done and be very productive.
No one wants to do just more busy work. Choose a program that allows you to really explore what makes you unique. And that place would be UNH, because this place truly does cultivate that kind of sense of curiosity in the students in the Honors College.